One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. I love this book from Dr. Seuss. It has very fun pictures of cartoon fish in there. And that's what we're going to draw today. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to draw a Dr. Seuss style fish. Take a look at these cool fish in the Dr. Seuss book. Look how they are designed. They got the kind of a snubby nose, a smile. The fins just are so relaxed. Look at that. The tails just go off in all different kind of directions. They're so fancy. Little eyelashes on this one. A lot of fun. And so I can't wait to get started trying to design my own Dr. Seuss fish. All right, let's start. All right, I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible. And just very relaxed, just take your marker and make kind of a curved line that comes around here and then comes up for like a smile, just like that. Okay, and then down here for our bottom lip, just kind of make a little ridge and then keep on going for a big belly. And you want to stop right there. So on the mouth, why don't we go ahead and finish the mouth, put a little smile on that. Now on the top, we're going to continue that line and maybe come up to draw a what is called a dorsal fin. And Dr. Seuss, he has some really kind of wild, crazy dorsal fins always on his fish. And then you can come back to about here. Then we have another fin that comes from here, and it's just kind of like a little rounded and no particular shape, just fun, crazy shapes. And then you want to imagine that this line is coming right through here, and then you want to start right there. And so we'll kind of bring it in. And his shapes, the fish, it's not a straight line, or, you know, it's all in different directions. So now we're going to do the tail. And we're going to come out, start bringing your two lines in just a little bit closer, and then we're going to start spreading them out to make some crazy tail fins. Kind of curve it in like that, and there is no way you can goof up or make a mistake on a Dr. Seuss type fish. So just have fun making some different curlicues. Each time you draw your fish, I'm sure it's going to be different. Then bring it in, just like that. Now, the eyes on Dr. Seuss are kind of just about the same. He likes to make kind of an oval shape. And on the end of the oval, it kind of comes into a point like that. And he loves to put eyelids on his fish, just like that. And then another oval shape for the pupil. And then you can always add some little detail, some little hairs coming out like this. You can make little folds in his chin. And then you can have fun coloring this fish any type of color you want. Hey, thanks a lot for watching today. I hope you enjoyed drawing a Dr. Seuss style fish. I'm sure that each time you're going to draw one, it's going to turn out different and more creative. And they're a lot of fun just to experiment with the different colors and the shapes. So I recommend taking a look at the Dr. Seuss One Fish, Two Fish book and look at the style that Dr. Seuss drew. It's amazing. And I love the trees, the animals, the characters that he draws. So what better way to learn from one of the masters is to have fun trying to reproduce and come up with your own fish that is similar to his. Before I leave, I want to share some mail that I got. And here is a picture from, I believe her name is Koser, and she drew a wonderful, beautiful cat. And even you can see a cat right inside there. I love the whiskers going on here and the flowers she has, and it looks like maybe a snake or a worm here. So I love it, just beautiful. And I also have some more mail. This one is from Miriam. I like the way she drew her grass right here and the flowers. And look at this right here. You have some clouds up here, and each cloud is raining on a single flower. How fun is that? And you got some, might be caterpillars or worms crawling around down there. I love the style of her flowers. Very creative. And next up we have one from Aisha that is sent to us. And I like the girls that she drew. And she has a little kitty cat way up here. I like the feet on that, Aisha. So, and it says, thank you, Mr. Jeff. Well, thank you, Aisha, for doing that. I would love to see some of your drawings, and I have an email address down in the comments down below. Please get your parents' permission first and send some of your photos, your drawings, comments, whatever, and we would love to share them on this show. Like always, have a fun day. Please subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.